This is one of my favorite Valentine's Day cakes. It's a chocolate strawberry cake that looks like a box of chocolates. It starts with a moist chocolate cake baked into a heart shape and filled with lots of strawberry buttercream. Then I add some chopped fresh strawberries on top, a little more buttercream, and another cake layer to finish it off. More of that delicious strawberry buttercream goes over it, and when that's chilled and firm, the whole thing is covered with deep red fondant. After I trim around the edges and remove the extra fondant, the cake gets a thick border of fondant all around the edge that extends up about ½ an inch above the cake. This helps create the illusion of a chocolate box. Here's a tip: steaming the fondant when you're done removes the powdered sugar and makes it super shiny. For the chocolates inside, I first make edible chocolate cups by painting the insides of mini cupcake liners with chocolate. When it's set, the paper can be peeled away and they're ready to be placed in the chocolate box. I made some homemade chocolates to go inside, but store-bought truffles are also a great option. This cake is beautiful, it's unique, and it's absolutely delicious. Enjoy.